台积雪一夜即息，民众仿佛挖雪糕一般，开启出门通道。
No, I've never experienced snow like this in Toronto in my 20-something years of living here.
暴风雪席卷加拿大，安大略省部分地区累积最高60公分积雪，导致交通大乱，多户停电。现在情况缓解，但还有数十台校车卡在停车场，动弹不得。学生们约定周一返校上课，但积雪太深，路面还没清理完，学校持续停课。
We understand that they have to cancel the schools, and obviously, if they can't keep it safe in terms of cars and buses getting through, you have no choice. So.
公共脚踏车同样深陷一排，当局出动铲雪车清理路面，民众也出来帮忙。
As you can see, we're clearing snow and taking lots of micro breaks, trying to save the back.
风雪过后，清理事项大工程，政府和民间齐心合作，希望尽快恢复正常生活。台新闻刘觉瑜编译。